Welcome to Auburn Drain Cleaning in Auburn, California. So this is an unboxing video. I just got a new tool. It's a sewer and drain cleaning kit for hydrojetting. It works with drain pipes, sewer lines. Here they show it being used with a downspout. Maybe a commercial grade downspout would be better, because this is a 3/8 hose. This is a more heavy duty. This is for 3,000 psi and 5 gallon per minute max. So this is well suited for a sewer line cleaning in a hydrojetting application. So I'm going to open it up. It's 90 feet long. Can be used with hot water, pressure washers, up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit max temperature to thaw frozen pipes. This comes with a 22 millimeter connection and a jetter nozzle. Says jet nozzle. That means hydrojetter, hydrojetting. It's stapled shut pretty good. They've changed the connections on this over the years. It used to have a different connection on the end. With this 22 millimeter connection, right here is what it comes with. Interesting. So this is 3/8 size hose. There's the hydrojet nozzle. One jet forward to blast through the stoppages, and 3 reverse thruster jets to propel this through the pipe and to clean the inside walls of the pipe, restoring the inside capacity of the drain lines. The idea is to restore the inside capacity of the drain lines to brand new sizes. This is made in Germany. The thing that's handy about this kit is I can attach it to my pressure washer, but I have more than one pressure washer. I have a few of them. I have small electric ones, larger electric ones. I have gas powered pressure washers. I've got hydrojetting machines. And so this is for more water flow, higher water flow, and higher water pressure. It's a larger hose diameter. So this is going to be more well suited for my large gas powered hydrojetter. Pretty simple instructions. Connect it to the pressure washer, attach the jetter nozzle, which is already there. It says then it's ready to go, but of course you still have to connect a water supply. Pretty simple. Came with safety glasses. I'm going to include a link in the description in case you want to buy one of these. They're more expensive than the ones from China at this time, which may change with tariffs, we don't know, but this one's made in Germany, and because of the quality, it's worth it. 90 feet is a handy length, and it's much better quality. I have some of the cheaper hoses from China, which I may do some videos on, but the quality here is worth it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.